This is Roy from Olivon Investments. You can visit us at olivon.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. We are on day 14 of the Small Account Builder Challenge, where we take $2,000 with leverage using an offshore, or simulate what we would be doing using an offshore broker for a new trader just getting started, just to show, sort of show day by day what's possible. I believe we're on day 14 of the Small Account Builder Challenge. If you go to our website, I'm probably going to move this around and rename it, but if you look up here and click around, you'll be able to find it. Really wasn't that great of a day. I think we took a total of 11 trades. It was a red day. So yeah, took 11 trades, 55% accuracy, and we lost like almost 3 cents a share. So let's dive in here. This is I have the daily chart here just because I think this is sort of a good example of showing you the price levels. It's almost like sort of like climbing a mountain or a staircase, like backwards in time. Like you go up and this. Everybody. Some people mark more spots than others. And right here you see that this pivot right here that's a really strong point of support and resistance right there. And go back any further than that. Let's see what chart. Okay, so I started out coming out of a halt. I had a halt here at 9:33, and I bought coming out of the halt. I mean, I guess I knew we were coming into this level of resistance right here. Still made money on that trade. I bought I bought coming out of the halt at 6:25. And I got back in at, I'm sorry, I sold at 6:41, so I made money on that one. And then I tried getting back in at 6:32, and it dropped on me down to 6:15. And then I had a break-even trade at 9:39 here. Yeah. Somehow I don't know why I didn't make money on that candle, but 6:36 I bought in and sold both both at the same time. And okay, I did make 5 cents. I got back in at 6:53, got out at 6:58. Then I got back in at 6:66, and I guess I must have just got spooked out at my fill because I immediately jumped right back out of it. And probably should have taken that as a warning to stop for the day, but that wasn't what happened. At 6:40. I got back in at 6:58, and then I made 3 cents on that one. Got out at 6:61. Yeah, thinking it was probably gonna hold above this level here, and that's not what happened. Once it broke through right here, I sort of stepped back for a minute because this is once that support level gets broken, that becomes resistance. Then when it breaks back through that resistance, then see it kind of wanted to stay back below it for a while. So I stayed out until 9:44, and I think these the 9 and the 20 and all this, they would have moved. They probably would have been a little bit further up on the chart. So I think I was probably trying to dip buy off the 20, which I'm not the best dip buyer. Somebody else could probably would probably be a better person to watch if that's what you're interested in doing. But I got in at 6:15, and that one didn't work out. I got out at 5:84. Then I got back in it at 5:76, and I got out at 5:90. Then at 9:45. I took a trade for 5.83, and I made 10 cents on it. Got out at 5.93, so it's probably trying to think it was going to bounce off of VWAP there, and then that doesn't seem to be. It looked like it was going to hold above it here. And then so at 9:48, I bought at 6:04. And then that didn't work out, and it dropped on me, and I got out at 5.73, and then sort of lost interest once it went below VWAP there. And then I must have been off doing, I don't know, distracted doing something else, and then over here I saw that it had reclaimed the volume weighted average price. So at 10:14, I got back in at 563. Let's see. Huh. Well, I guess I was trying to dip buy. I guess yeah, I felt like it could hold above it, and then when it went back forward, I tried to dip buy off the 50 moving average, and then I got back out of it for a penny loss, and yeah, and that was all. I decided to call it a day. I figured I'd done enough damage. So yeah, this is Roy of on Investments. You're welcome to you know you know. I'll post some more videos. I'll try and do some live trading. And this is a bad day. Every day is not like this. I mean, we are actually. I posted. We're up on the month. We're actually. Oh, here's. I don't know if I showed you guys. These are all the trades that I took today. If you want to go through them. I know it kind of posts everything double on here. The way that the software does it. But so just to give you an idea. Yeah, I made like the first day we made $884 off this. This is a $2,000 account with leverage to give you, so that's like a 40% gain or something. Of course, I mean it's leveraged, but it's still and having trouble loading videos more than like 7 or 8 minutes. That's why I did part 1, part 2, part 3. So this is all the same, all the same time. So yeah, 884. We made 228, up 386 on day 3. Let's see, up 308. I guess I haven't uploaded that yet. And yeah, and then we lost 295 on this day. I lost just $35. Yeah, when I start losing money, I normally I try and walk away as quickly as I can. So my losses, haven't been too terrible, through this challenge. Then DPW, we came back and we made over $1,000 that day, 1,224. So that's like a 60% gain. Yeah. So then we only made $38 the next day, and yeah, we did have a $619 loss here. Then it was followed by a $1,000 winner. So yeah, it's just you can follow along. I go through trade by trade everything. So yeah, there's nothing to sign up for. You guys are welcome to check me out. We do have our own stock for so we'll sit here. We'll do the day trading for you. And it's and of course the stock goes up, everybody makes money. So yeah. So yeah, hope to see you guys soon. All right, thank you.